In this video, I'm going to show you how you can group your data in a pivot table. I am making a basic pivot table here. I have data in a table, and so I'm going to the Insert tab, and then I'm going to insert a pivot table. It's going to put it on a new sheet, and that's fine. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go down and select my salesperson field, and I'm going to drag it down to the rows area of the pivot table. Next, I'm going to find my amount field, and I'm going to drag it down to my sum of values. And now we have the total sales for these individuals. So I would like to change the sum of amount to dollars. So what I'm going to do is right click on the field title here, and I'm going down to field settings. And then I am going to go and select from the dialog box, I am going to select number format, and then I'm going to say currency. And say OK and OK. So now we have our values in dollar signs here. Now I would like to group these by date. And if you're using 2016 or later, we're going to select the date from the field here, and we're going to place it below the salesperson in the rows section. So I'm going to go up and get date, and I'm going to drag it down to below the salesperson. Automatically, it breaks it into months. And if you click on the months, if you click on March, for example, then it will break it into the days that Jan here made sales in March. If you click on it again, it will go back to March. So this is very handy. Now, if you're not in 216, if you right-click on the date field when you drag it down there, it will allow you to select how you would like the fields to be displayed. Now, let's take out the months here because we want to group it by another thing here. So I'm going to have to take out both months and days just because it's broken it in there automatically, and date. And so now we're back to our basic basic pivot table. Let's assume that your company has different areas of operation. So let's select the first three names on the list here. We're on the pivot table analyze. You can go to group. Below the group box, there's a drop down, and you can say group selection. And there you have the group. It's grouped into group 1. Now to change the name of group 1, you could select it and then go to the formula bar here and select West. And then you're going to select the next 3. And you're going to go to the group and group selection. And then we have group 2, which you can rename to be East. So that's how you group your data. Each of the groups has the subtotal on them. Now to remove the group, it's simply as right-clicking on the box beside the group, and then you select ungroup, and the group will be taken out. So that's how you group your data in a pivot table. Please subscribe.